There you go. Can you see? There you are. Just give you a good view. So I've just left CrossFit. I'm in Barcelona for a week. So I thought I'd come and train every day, which is so much fun. And they're all getting ready for 18.1, which if you're not into CrossFit, don't worry about it. If you are, it's the first of the open, and it's so much fun watching everybody get ready. I was just doing snatches and clean and jerks. But it just shows you the power of being able to do stuff in a group. Property is a lonely business at times, and working in a group, working with peers, working with people who are at or just ahead of you is an amazing thing to do to pull yourself on. It's one of the reasons people do mentoring groups. I mean, I have a mentoring group, and do get in touch if you're interested. It's a fantastic group, and the power of the group pushes people on. And the reason it pushes people on is that, well, it's the 4-minute mile, isn't it? For years and years and years, people thought that it was humanly impossible to break the 4-minute mile. Bannerman broke it, and within a very short period of time, lots of other people broke on through too. Let's see if we can cross the road without getting knocked down slightly. Yeah, run. If you cross the road when it's a red light here, it's a bit hairy. And here's just the same, and I see it because I train with Sunny, and I see how a world-class athlete trains. He often seeks out training partners, and that is about seeking out people who are just as good or even better than him, which in Britain is quite hard to do, but nonetheless, internationally, there are some, in order to push him forward. And the same goes for property. Whether you do it in a formal group like a mentoring group, or whether you create a group of your own, make sure you are hanging out with peers who will push you on, because they will show you what is possible and what is just ahead for you, and you'll probably be reflecting the same thing back to them. It's really, really useful. And if athletes do it, then surely business people do it too. Okay, see you soon. Oh, subscribe to the videos and hop over to our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. We've got loads more stuff for you over there. But subscribe to the vids first. Bye.